Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. These are my 14 by 14s recent in 2002, somewhere between August and October, and I'm going to try and shimmer them at you. They're very glassy. I've had some issues with the black background washing them out and the bright sunshine from my window, but hopefully things are better. These are my two books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. They are the first 100 and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube, and quite relevant still today. And you can find them on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is underneath Show More on the link tree, where you'll also find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group, etc. My website, and so on. And I think it's time to just shimmer away, if I can, as best I can, and hope for the best. I did make 6 videos before this. This was Sherwin-Williams house paint. The rest are Colourarte products. Prizm Pours, that one's Mayan gold, I believe. In any case, let's get on with bringing down some more of these. Getting the ones I've used away. This was risky business. Hopefully this shows how beautiful it is. It's very intense and deep and rich. This is one of my new favorites, and hopefully there has to be a good direction that you can see it, and I'm going to try and lift it to the camera just because I figured out yesterday while I'm making a video that my camera does actually focus. Automatically. But it only shows the glassiness and the shimmer from certain angles, and I'm never entirely sure which angles they are. This is another new favorite. This is stellar. The colors in here in this magenta piece are amazing. I'm going to give myself a stack. Ah, this is a new favorite also. This was made with just one color. And I think this goes a different direction. Yeah, so does the next one probably. Nope, it doesn't. But I do like it this way and that way and the other way. I especially like it this way. This is this would be a private collection if I had one, but I need to sell some art, so I guess everything's up for grabs. There should be a, these are 14 inches. Make a note of the time you see what you're interested in if you are interested in making a purchase. And my email address is on the link tree, or it's under the video somewhere, but it's easpbgallery and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. This one had orchid in the title. I keep shimmering it the way I see the sparkle, but that's not the way it works for all of us. This is gorgeous. This has that Chantilly Lace in here, and it's just, it sparkles like diamonds. It's beautiful. This was an experiment I'll be probably trying to do again sometime. It was mostly an experiment using a new set of colors, but it was fun to play with. This I love, and I like it more every time I see it, which is kind of weird, but it has obviously got some house paint in it in the background, but it was probably bloom style. I'm hoping we're still in shot, and it occurs to me it might be a really good time to check before I go any further. Yeah, I'm okay. This has glassiness and shimmer and is just gorgeous, and hopefully you can see some of that. This is just fun. Sometimes I start to prime a canvas black, and I put my initial paint down, and then I get inspired to play with it. That's what happened here. This is Sherwin-Williams house paint in all the colors that I have. Well, I might have a couple more colors actually. And there's a smaller painting in the 10 by 10s or 12 by 12s that you will see that I used the leftover colors. There's no shimmer in there, but it's pretty anyway. It's probably eggshell finish. So this is different than a lot of things, and the pink, the shimmer in the pink is just stellar. I love this. This is just your basic silver, gold. I don't think there's copper, but there might be some bronze. I think so. This reminds me of a cosmic event. It's very fiery. Let's make sure it's the right way up. It is the right way up. I love the little bits showing through. Let's put a whole stack down. Ah, my favorite on top. I love how huge these cells turned out, and I love the colors. They're just fantastic. People or dog hair or cat hairs withstanding. This one I like very much because it has a large dragon head, in my opinion. I see his huge eyeball. He's a cartoon dragon, obviously. I call this my Paisley series. I have a lot of these. I love them. They're all very different from each other. This is so glassy and so pretty. Sorry, it's not stacked quite square. So like I want to remind you to make a note. This is awesome. So awesome. Make a note of the time you see what you're interested in. And give me the title of the video, the exhibition video. Just copy and paste if you can the title so I know which video to look through. Because I'm pretty sure there will be a bunch of these, like maybe 6 or so. I'm going by size, and one's a category of landscapes too. This was leftover paints that I thought was going to go badly, and I really like it. It's right before Halloween right now, and this just, it's a bit macabre. I'm not sure how you say that word, but that's what that's how it looks like when I try and spell it. This was a weird day. I had too much paint on a canvas, and so this was the larger canvas I poured off onto a smaller canvas, and that's around here somewhere. You'll probably see that later. I'm not sure about this. It has very interesting and intricate striping inside the colors that look very muted and kind of bronzy. It's actually pretty, very pretty. This is a primary example of what Chantilly Lace does when you put it on a wet paint, black background, even house paint. And it sparkles. It has every color of the rainbow in there. It's just beautiful. This is another piece that I wasn't sure about at first, but I like the drama of the hard angle. I'm down on my last couple paintings, so I'm going to say, please, by all means, check my channel for my link tree, and know that I have 28 lists of 100 videos, and also lists of topic and genre. And if you need something, please just ask me. Questions are welcome and encouraged. I love you guys. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos and watching them longer. And make sure to look for my Amazon link. It's at no extra cost to you to shop there. My 2 books are there. I want to thank you guys who have joined my channel for $9.99 a month. There's at least 8 of you, I think. And you have access to a members-only library of over 60 videos, which will continue to increase as time goes on. Here's my last painting. If you have seen any artwork that you are interested in having added to... Oh, there's some wicked shimmer in there. I didn't even notice that. Sorry, maybe I didn't shimmer that correctly. So, you can have pretty much anything that you can't find on my Legallerist, or Society6, or Pixels.com, or Fine Art America, or even Spring Clothing that you can see below the video. You can have something added if you ask me, if you can't find it. There should be paint pouring recipe below most every other video, not the exhibition videos. And like I said, questions are encouraged. You can find my videos will play most days at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, pretty much 7 days a week, at least for right now. That could change. And whatever I haven't told you is I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I would love to sell some artwork. It would help. Thank you to everyone who uses the PayPal icon to make a donation. It's on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. You guys and my new members are the ones who are keeping me bringing tutorials to everyone at YouTube for your enjoyment and learning experience, I guess, too. All right, you guys, take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Know I love you. And Priscilla out. Happy holidays or season's greetings. Whatever. Bye for now. See you soon, hopefully. Maybe tomorrow.